Okay, we're starting here. I have my Q Mix DSP up. Here's the mixer right here. Now, the secret to getting the buzzing out, if you have the Motu, is some people tend to plug the adapter that comes with it here into this plug right here. There, right there. Thinking they need AC power, or 9-volt DC power rather, to power it. But you don't need that. You basically need the power from the firewire in the computer, because what that does is it gives it too much electricity, and the mic is amped up, but your system is going crazy from all the static going on and all the interference. So you want to just plug firewire up, and every time you start a new session, make sure you reboot the PC, or else you'll still get that buzzing. Now you want your pads basically to be up and 48 volt down. Doesn't take much to power this Motu Ultralight, which I found out from experience. So, no DC power, just powered off firewire. Plug that in, reboot your PC, power on the Motu before it loads up Windows so it can load the drivers. You'll be good to go. Then from there, you just work on the volume on the PC. Turn that down and use the gain on the mixer, because hearing it in your ear doesn't necessarily translate into a louder recording. And that's the end of lesson 1.